안녕하세요. Hello and welcome. I'm Mina Kim, your Korean language teacher and cultural storyteller. I'm here to guide you step by step as you start speaking real Korean with confidence and connection. This is episode 1 of our speaking series, and today we're starting with the first thing you say in any language. Hello. But in Korean, saying hello is more than just a greeting. It's a signal of respect, a part of your identity, and the beginning of every relationship. In this episode, we're going to break down the phrases, the pronunciation, the cultural meaning behind them, and how to use them naturally in a real life. By the end of the lesson, you'll always exactly how to say hello in Korean formally, casually, confidently. Are you ready? Let's begin with the most powerful word in any language. A respectful hello. The power of hello. Learning 안녕하세요. Slowly. 안녕하세요. It's not just hello. It's formal greetings that signals respect, humility, and a peaceful attitude. That's why it's the best place to begin your Korean learning. And yes, people would immediately notice if you use it correctly. Let's look at the structure of the word. 안녕하세요 is made up of 안녕. 안녕 means peace, well-being, calm. 하세요 means a polite, present tense verb ending meaning to do. So, if you translate it literally, it means, are you in peace? Or are you doing well? It's actually a question, even though it does sound like one. This greeting comes from our traditional Korean values. Wishing someone peace was the most respectful way to begin an interaction. Let's say it together. Repeat after me. 안녕하세요. 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 And one more time with a slight smile. 안녕하세요. Alright, when to use 안녕하세요? So, who do you say 안녕하세요 to? Pretty much everyone. Use it. Let's talk about something every learner wants to know. When can I stop being formal? Right. Today, we're going to learn how to say hi casually in Korean. The word is 안녕. 안녕. Yes, it's shorter, it's friendlier, and it's used all the time between friends. But don't be fooled. This tiny word comes with a lot of rules. Using it at the wrong time can get you in trouble, or at least earn you some awkward looks. It's the same core. In fact, 안녕하세요 is just a former version of 안녕. So, what's the difference? 안녕하세요 equal hello politely. 안녕 equal hi casually. It's like the difference between saying good morning, sir, and say, hey, good morning. They both greet someone, but one is clearly more relaxed. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 안녕. 안녕. Notice that tone is soft and friendly. It's not flat and it's not too high-pitched. Just natural, like you're smiling. Let's say it in different moods. Happy 안녕. 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 It's flexible, but only in the right relationship. Let's get into the next. Now, it's time for the next big step in a real-life conversation. Introducing yourself. This is the first thing you'll do when meeting a new friend, joining a class, or talking to a Korean person online. In just a few sentences, you'll be able to tell people your name and where you're from, or in Korean. The most essential sentence when introducing yourself is, my name is Mina. In Korean, the standard polite way to say, this is Mina. 제 이름은 미나입니다. So literally you're saying, as for my name, it is Mina. Repeat after me with your name. 제 이름은 미나입니다. This sentence is super useful. You use it every time you meet someone new, and it's always polite. Say it again, this time with a little confidence. 제 이름은 미나입니다. Now, let's add a second part of your introduction. Your country or hometown. I'm from Korea. I'm from America. Whatever the place you want to call it. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. 저는 일본에서 왔어요. Try it with your country. Here are some useful country names in Korean. All right, let's start with United States. 미국, 영국, United Kingdom, Canada, Canada. Now, fill in the blank with your country. Let's add one bonus line. You put this line, they will love you. I'm learning Korean. That's it. 한국어를 배우고 있어요. 한국어를 배우고 있어요. To try adding that to the end, I'm gonna repeat all together. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 미나입니다. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. Beautiful. That's your full self introduction. So, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask someone's age. Interesting, right? How to answer politely, how to use age to build relationship, and what to say after you find out who's older or younger. Let's learn the polite and common way to ask someone's age. So literally, you're asking, how does your age go? It's a very polite, soft way to ask, how old are you? Repeat after me. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이가 어떻게 되세요? How to answer with your age. Now, let's learn how to answer the question politely. I'm 10 years old. In Korean, 저는 10살이에요. Let's say I'm 25 years old. 나는 25살이에요. Let's try a few more. I'm 20 years old. 저는 20살이에요. 저는 30살이에요. I'm 30. Now it's your turn. Insert your own age. Practice that out loud 2 to 3 times. Here's common titles Korean uses based on age and gender. So, there's 4 titles that you need to remember. If you're female and the person is older, male, 오빠. Female, 언니. If you're male, older male, 형. Older female, 누나. Example, you're 1 year older than me, so I will call you 언니. He's older, so I can call him 형. Using these titles instead of names helps build closeness. I'll see you there. 감사합니다. 참 잘했어요. 다음에 봐요.